Welcome back to The Observable Unknown. Before words were spoken, bodies were already communicating. Before grammar, there was posture. Before narrative, there was movement. Tonight, we turn toward a form of intelligence older than speech itself, the intelligence of gesture, the grammar of the body. In the early 2000s, cognitive psychologist Susan Goldin-Meadow at the University of Chicago demonstrated something quietly radical. In controlled studies of children learning mathematics, she found that hand gestures often revealed knowledge the child could not yet verbalize. The body knew before language had caught up. When children were encouraged to gesture while explaining a problem, learning accelerated. When their hands were restrained, cognition slowed. The implication is stark. Gesture is not decoration layered onto thought. It is part of thinking itself. The observable unknown here is that cognition may not be confined to the brain alone. It may be distributed across muscle, space, and motion. The insight deepened with neuroimaging. At the University of Parma in the 1990s, Giacomo Rizzolatti and colleagues identified mirror neurons while studying premotor cortex activity in macaque monkeys. Later human studies, including work by Marco Iacoboni at the University of California, Los Angeles, showed that observing another person's gesture activates motor regions in the observer's own brain. When you watch a hand reach, your motor cortex rehearses the reach. When you see a posture of grief, your nervous system echoes it. Empathy, in this sense, is not imagined, it is enacted. The body does not infer meaning first, it resonates. Long before neuroscience, ethologists were already listening to the body very carefully. In the 1960s and 70s, Desmond Morris, trained under zoologist Nicolaas Tinbergen, approached humans as animals among animals. His observational studies emphasized that facial expressions, territorial spacing, grooming behaviors, and threat displays follow evolutionary continuities across species. Later, anthropologist Ray Birdwistell advanced kinesics, the systematic study of body motion, showing that gestures are culturally patterned yet biologically constrained. We learn how to move from our culture, but the capacity to read movement is ancient. The observable unknown here is that language did not replace gesture. It layered itself atop a far older communicative system. Contemporary research has examined how posture shapes internal states. Neuroscientist Cyan Bylock at the University of Chicago has shown that bodily positioning influences cognitive load and emotional regulation. Meanwhile, work by Dana Carney and others, though controversial in its stronger claims, sparked a broader investigation into how expansive versus constricted postures modulate stress physiology. While hormone effects remain debated, one finding is consistent. Posture changes perception of agency and threat. The body signals safety or danger to the brain before conscious appraisal can occur. We do not merely express emotion through the body, we generate it there. Recent studies in social neuroscience have explored interpersonal synchrony. At the Max Planck Institute, researchers including Leonie Coban have shown that synchronized movement, walking together, mirroring posture, shared rhythm, increases trust and pro-social behavior. Bodies that move together begin to feel together. This is why ritual works, why dance binds, why shared silence in a room can feel electric. The observable unknown is not meaning in words, it is coherence in motion. If language is the voice of thought, then gesture is its breath. Your hands know things, your sentences do not. Your posture remembers what your memory forgets. Tonight, notice how you sit, how you turn toward others, how your body speaks long before you do. If this interlude stirred reflection, I would love to hear from you. You can write to me at theobservableunknown@gmail.com or text reflections and any questions that you might have to 336-675-5836. And wherever you have listened to this podcast, please consider leaving a rating and review. Your words help this work find those who are ready to listen. Thank you for noticing the intelligence that lives beneath language. Until next time, this has been The Observable Unknown.